In this video, I will teach you about the different base maps available in QuakeFeed version 6.0. First, I will tap the button in the top left corner to switch to the map view. The first thing you will notice is the beautiful new World Imagery base map, which for iOS 16 and higher has a beautiful globe effect when zoomed out. In the top right corner of the map, you'll notice there are three tools. There is a button to zoom to your location, a button to zoom out to the full map extent, and a legend button. To change the base map, tap the third button on the bottom row of buttons. Then tap the base maps icon. The World Imagery with 3D Globe and the Streets base map are available to all QuakeFeed users. Now I will change it to the Streets map, then tap Done in the top right corner. We received a lot of feedback from QuakeFeed users that they would like to be able to adjust the size of the text in the map labels to make them bigger. In QuakeFeed version 6.0, you are now able to do that for the World Imagery and Streets base maps. I will show you an example of how this looks. Using the iOS Settings app, I have turned on larger text size and increased the size of the font for my device. As you can see on the map, the labels are now bigger. Another new feature of the Streets and World Imagery base maps is that they will recognize if you have a different language besides English as your preferred language on your device. Using the iOS Settings app, I changed my preferred language to Spanish, and as you can see, the map labels have adjusted accordingly. With the QuakeFeed Premium subscription, you have access to several other types of base maps. These premium base maps provide different types of context for the places where the earthquakes happen. For example, if you are interested in seeing whether or not an earthquake happened near an urban area, you could try the population density or Earth at Night base maps. If you are interested in learning more about an earthquake that happened in the ocean, you can try the Ocean Bathymetry base map. This base map will reveal features on the ocean floor, such as oceanic trenches. For viewing plate lines and faults, you may find that the Simple Gray Canvas base map is the best. These are just a few examples of the types of base maps that are available in QuakeFeed.